Hello viewers, this is Akmal from Aone Graphics. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a professional as lettermark logo in Adobe Illustrator software. So while you are waiting, let's get started. First we have to open Adobe Illustrator software and we have to create a artboard as per our custom size. For making the grid, we have to take total 8 lines from the line tool. Then we have to reverse the line to create a perfect as letter. Then we have to choose shape builder tool and merge the shape to find the as letter. Okay, so our as lettermark design is complete. Now we are gonna select the font. Okay, then I created some mockups for presentation of the logo. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like my videos. So if you need any kind of design relevant work such as logo design, brand identity design, label and packaging design, t-shirt design, so you can contact me. I'll be more happy to help you as a designer on your project. Thank you.